Hi, my name is Gideon Paul, and I'm the creator of Torah Readers. In this video, I'll be walking through the Davening module, one of the more powerful features available in Torah Readers for synagogues that want to coordinate and manage their service assignments. The Davening module allows your synagogue to define services, build reusable templates, and enable members to sign up for or be assigned to specific roles in the service. From leading Shacharit to receiving an Aliyah, we'll cover the full workflow from member experience through to administration, service building, and template management. Logging into Torah Readers as a user, we see the Quick Access panel. If your synagogue is subscribed to the Davening module, you'll see two additional options here: My Davening Assignments and Reserve a Davening Assignment. Both take you directly to their respective sections further down the home page. Looking at the Reserve Davening Assignments tab, we can see 2 Davening sessions or services currently defined. At a glance, we can see any service comments and the percentage of assignments already filled for each service. Clicking the Open button takes us to the full details of that service and its assignment list. Scrolling down, we see each assignment available for sign-up. Clicking the Reserve button signs the member up for that assignment. Even though most assignments don't require a Hebrew name, if one is saved in the system, it will appear as well. Coming back to the home page, let's take a look at the My Readings and Assignments tab. In addition to listing all Torah reading assignments, this tab also displays Davening assignments. This panel only appears if your synagogue has subscribed to the Davening module. Logging in now as an admin, the Quick Access panel includes the Manage Davening option, which takes us directly to the Davening Management Hub. But first, let's look at the homepage experience for the admin. As we can see, the Davening interfaces on the homepage are the same for admins as they are for every other user. The same services are displayed, and an admin can reserve Davening assignments just as any member can. Admins do have one additional panel available: the ability to print a report of the assignments for the selected service. This report includes all assignees, their Hebrew names if defined, and any additional comments added by the user. Admins can also email all assignees for a selected service, useful for communicating important details prior to the service. Heading back to the home page and accessing the Davening Management Hub from the admin toolbar, this loads the Davening Schedule Builder. Let's walk through the tabs and options available here. On the Davening Schedule tab, we see all upcoming services. From here, we can view the status of each service and see how many people have signed up, open the service assignments, delete a service, or change its publication status. Opening a service puts it into edit mode, where we can update its details and add service notes, and assign members to specific roles. For each assignment, we can see a list of the members who have previously fulfilled that role. We can select directly from that list or choose from the full membership list. Members assigned by an admin will receive an email notification of their assignment. If an assignment requires a Hebrew name, such as an Aliyah to the Torah, and none is yet on file, we can enter it here. It will be saved in the system for future use. Once we're done, we click Save and Publish to make the service visible to members. Coming back to the Davening Schedule tab, we can see the update assignment percentage for each service. Now, let's look at how we create and update services and their assignments. Coming over to the Service and Tefillah Management tab, we see a consolidated list of all services defined for our synagogue. Clicking a service displays all the assignments available within it. We can add components to a service at any time, either tefillot or assignments copied from other services, or a brand new entry defined from scratch. In this case, since this is a Shabbat Mincha service and includes a Torah reading, we'll copy 3 aliyot over from a previously defined Shabbat morning service. These are now added to the Mincha service. We can also remove assignments that don't apply. In this case, Havdalah is not a part of the Mincha service, so we'll remove it here. Now, let's add a brand new service to the system. We define the name of the service and click Create Service. In this case, we're building a service for Rosh Hashanah Day 1. Opening the newly created service, we see it currently has no assignments. We can build it out by copying from an existing service or adding our own new assignments. For Rosh Hashanah, 1 or more shofar blowers would be a natural addition. We continue building out the assignment list, and each entry is added to the service as we go. For now, don't worry about the order of assignments or whether every assignment is required for every service. That will become clearer in the next step, where we build reusable templates. Coming over to the Template Management tab, we have 2 options: load an existing template or create a new one. Looking at the existing templates, we see templates for various versions of our standard services. Loading one shows all the assignments and their order for that service. In some cases, all assignments defined for the services have been included in the template. In others, such as Shabbat morning, only a subset of available assignments have been selected. We can always edit a template and add assignments as needed. For instance, Hallel is read on occasion on Shabbat and weekdays. We'll add the Hallel option here and move it up to its correct place in the order of the service. Using the up and down buttons, we place assignments in their correct order. Finally, we save the updated template and it will now be available when scheduling a davening session. Now, let's create a new template from scratch, this time for the Rosh Hashanah service we just defined. I'll give the template a name. For instance, this version will be used when Rosh Hashanah does not fall on Shabbat. We select the service from the drop-down, which gives us the full menu of available assignments. We then add assignments to the template one by one, ideally already in the correct order. When we're done, we click Save Template. Now, let's look at how to use the newly defined template to create an actual davening session. Loading the New Schedule tab, we have the option to create a new session. We select the template from the drop-down. While you can also load the complete original service definition, we recommend using templates, since they already contain the right assignments in the correct order. Here, I'll load the Rosh Hashanah template we just created. I'll add a date, and in the comments, note that this year Rosh Hashanah falls on Shabbat, which means no shofar blowing. To remove the shofar assignments, I simply uncheck them from the list. This is a great example of how templates can be adapted for specific occasions and how even a scheduled service can be further customized at the point of creation. I'll leave the assignments blank for now and save the service as a draft, meaning it is not yet visible to members. Coming back to the davening schedule, we can see the Rosh Hashanah service has been added to the list in the correct date order. Opening the service shows the assignments defined without the shofar blowing options and confirms that the service is not yet published. Returning to the home page, looking at the available davening assignments, we can confirm that Rosh Hashanah service is not yet visible to members for sign-up, and the My Assignments panel remains unchanged. In this video, we've covered the full workflow of the Torah Readers Davening module, from the member experience through to the administration, service building, and template management. We walked through how members can view and sign up for davening assignments directly from the home page, how admins can manage the services and assign members on their behalf, and how to build and maintain a library of reusable services and templates. The template system in particular is a powerful tool, allowing you to define your services once and reuse them efficiently, with the flexibility to customize any section for the specific requirements of the day. As always, if you have questions or would like to see additional features covered in a future video, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a part of the Torah Readers community.